Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys harvesting turnips. I do know that it's really delicious if you bake them or you could stir fry them. They're really good. So I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna let you guys know what I did because it was the simplest thing to grow. All right, guys. So this right here, as you're looking, I'm really close up. As you're looking, this is the turnip. So if we come right here, my hand got hurt. All right, these guys. This is my second harvest. That's them right there, turnips. So they basically, guys, as you could see, they popped up from above, underneath from the ground. They popped up and come up above. Basically like three-quarter to halfway up. Like this one here is like three-quarter right here. So definitely, but they're really close to each other right now because I planted them. I think I planted them. I planted them maybe 2 to 3 inches apart, which is no good, guys. So I would recommend, if you're planting these guys, keep them at least about 6 inches apart, because you see the width of them, they do grow, they do get a little big. So guys, make sure loosen up the soil, add some water, and plant your seed. I did about 1/2 inch deep, and it grows well. You know, even though if you accidentally, the seeds are really small, so even though if you put them together, it still grow. So all I did, guys, and I'm gonna tell you, all I did to get turnips was soften up my soil, plant the seed 1/2 inch, and then water. I water once a day. Even when the weather's hot, these guys are really strong. They got, you know, some bugs and ants will eat up these leaves. You could trim it, like some of these bad ones and stuff right here, I normally, you know, get out. You guys could trim it to get the more beneficial out of it. I'm not gonna lie, I really didn't take care of this that much. But without even not taking care of it, this plant is so strong. It took on bugs, it took on sun, it took on maybe extra water. Doesn't matter what. It's one of the most easiest vegetable that I grow in my garden right now today, guys. All right, guys, so we're gonna pop this guy out right now. So basically, either you could shake it up a little bit and then yank it out. They're not that hard. Whoa! So this is a big boy right here. See that? Wow. This guy is juicy. You could tell. So we're gonna come. They're really easy to harvest, guys. Look, you just yank it out, comes right out. Definitely recommend washing after. Look, we just pull them out and they come right out. Look, pop that out, comes right there. The leaves break apart. All right. Whoa, it's a nice one. Ow, these guys are really good. Now, get this one out. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from this harvest. Okay, so I washed them up, and you could see how beautiful they are. Oh my God. But you see, I do not recommend to leave too long, or they could start getting like insects getting in there or something like that, and then they'll make like holes and stuff. All right, that's my daughter. She's all excited. She's my little garden helper. All right, guys, so there you go. Beautiful, delicious looking, clean turnips. Big stir fry or whatever you guys like. So, and guys, if you're new to my channel and you're interested about gardening, you want to learn more and see more on all about the garden, click on the subscribe button, guys. As soon as I upload a video, you guys will see it right away.